Now the next thing I like to do is go ahead and play it and just start adjusting the levels. So as I'm playing it, you'll see me start, and the levels is right here. So I'll select the pad and just go ahead and start tweaking the levels. The kick, let's start with the kick first. Alright, so I got the kick sitting right where I want it to be at. Now I'm gonna go, because I like where the snare is at. Let's go to the close hi-hat. Let's play that. Alright, so I turned that one down just a little bit. Let's go to the open hi-hat. Let's turn that down a little bit. Alright. Shakers. Let's go ahead and see what we want to do with those. Alright, so now let's say that that's where we want everything to be at. We got everything placed right as far as the frequency goes. We got everything panned like we want it, and we got the levels the way that we want to have it. Alright, the next thing I like to do, or the last thing to the puzzle,